Joining us on this Saturday afternoon here at the Olivares College Gym. This is Javi Palanya alongside Coach Mike Perez and Ms. Mika Abisamis against Marikina, Iloilo, and Sarangani by an average of 23 points per game.
Yeah, and dun makikita mo yung dominance. I mean, it says a lot about earnings from that last game against Marikina where they struggled from the start.
Corner pocket three, that's Orlan Omar connecting from the outside.
Yung sinasabi natin, gaano pa ba nila pababay?
3 attempts already and still no field goals in this game for Pangasinan. Malonzo will try from the outside and just his luck able to hit that three-pointer. Of the key additions to this roster created by Coach Jerson Cabiltes for the start of this season, but somehow he hasn't really been getting a lot of minutes on the floor and has only been averaging 2.4 points as panganiban ni Jeff Havillonar. Valencio turns the corner. Back pass, Mabulak, push shot is good.
Nasabihin ko pa naman sana kanina, it's really the right time para...
What can you say about this decision of Coach Jerson Cabiltes to start in Melencio at that point guard spot instead of Hesed Gabo?
I think that's a really good strategy for Pangasinan because in that game against Marikina, as you see that layup shot by the Kiwag, in that game against Marikina, Hesed...
Kick out to Gabo. Shot clock winding down. Melencio from the corner. Yes, sir.
Ayan naman, bigat sa combination ni Hesed Gabo at ni Ian Melencio.
Kiwag looking at his options. Kiwag, step back jumper. That's too strong. Offensive rebound. Mabulak off the bank.
And I say, this is actually the best five that Coach Jerson Cabiltes could come right there. That's really good firepower for San Juan too.
Oh, Gabo, the lob and the connection with Vince Tolentino. How beautiful was that?
I didn't even see Vince coming.
Well, he knew that the calculation, the thrust, and of course the expertise in making that time. Just like how Zach Wang, Miranda, out to Soberano, extra pass. One more, step to the side, three, nothing but net.
From one 3-point guy to another.
Our end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The Fan and San Juan are tied at 16-all. This is Javi Palanya alongside Coach Mike Perez and Ms. Mika Abisamis. AC Soberano, who had 20 points in that last game.
Bilis siguro para dito sa San Juan at medyo choosing to be more deliberate half-court itong Pangasinan.
Gamboa extends the lead to 3, 19-16. One of the tallest teams here in the league, but you can tell by the first 3 games that they had that this is a well-oiled machine.
Yeah, definitely. But first off,
short, Gamboa, sorry, that's AJ Miranda with the basketball. Miranda all the way for 2.
Oh man, AJ talagang hinahanap lang niya kung saan yung open na spots. This guy on the floor, anyone who's got that leather.
Here he is once again, attracting the defense and drops it off. Zach Wang scores inside.
But very agile and mobile, going to open spaces. You have to be very active defensively.
The Kiwag making AC Soberano pay for that gamble.
Pakitaan kung hanggang sa dulo to, magandang pupukan.
Field goal percentage in the first quarter was just under 40%, but both teams right now above that mark. As Ina, ito si JR Kaasi. Melencio could not hit from the free throw line. The Kiwag from the outside. That's a 3-pointer for Ed the Kiwag.
Yeah, katulad ng palagi natin mini-mention, Habi. Offensive rebound, find a 3-point shooter.
24, isa ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan. Wang almost traveled. May have shuffled his pivot foot there. No whistle blown, but instead the floater good in the lane. Taiwan doesn't wait for backup. That's off to the left. Zach Wang inside hand scoop is good. That's another 2 points para kay Zach Wang.
Boy,
Zach Wang, I just love how he's able to balance having that finesse type of game offensively, but also
hindi naman kailangan sikat na sikat yung mga player na kukunin mo. It's really just getting those talents. Ooh, and Kaasi with a good finish inside of the feed by Melencio and getting the right pieces.
Good. Taonero tries to battle for that offensive rebound. Unfortunately, Pangasinan comes up with it. Mabulak running the floor. He has Kaasi on the left. Kaasi will score.
At sigurado ako yung mga locals na nanonood ngayon sa Pangasinan are not just for the team of Pangasinan.
Huang able to save it. Galinato. Panganiban, left-hand finish. That's good. 2 points more for San Juan. They're back in the lead.
Pangasinan right now is a -11 in terms of field goal attempts. That only goes to show that not all the time that they go down, they get a field goal attempt. But you see Ian right now down on the floor. Seems hurt.
I think his squad alive in this game. Take a look at that, getting to the pick, and then there was a push from behind by Galinato.
Yeah,
Take a look at this from this angle.
Sure look more momentum sa side ni Galinato because sudden jump stop to a floater yung ginawa ni.
Carter, if you guys just tuned in, was really sloppy to say the least, especially for Pangasinan. But Panganiban looking up. Galinato, the running start. Galinato leans in. Galinato will score.
Napakasarap na magkaroon ng isang team na yung bench mo.
After the end of the first 20 minutes, 33-33 is the score. This is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Cheer. Every time na nagmimintis ng free throws. See a 3 here made by Robin. He's one of those guys that we need to see. Every time na nagmimintis ang San Juan before.
Panganiban turns the corner. Panganiban gets bumped. Panganiban will score off the glass.
Matic, nung nag-hard show si Shaq and committed himself.
Heat waves. Wamar bounces it off. Gamboa 1-2 step through the lane. That's 2 points para kay Arvin Gamboa.
Apat na
Panganiban gets the smaller Robin. What a quick spin to the baseline.
Overcommitted si Robin.
Wamar cross over through the middle. Finger rolls it for 2.
Man, these activities.
Wamar, two of the finest point guards here in the league, but Wamar has been getting the better of that so far as he sets up another teammate. That's Nico Panganiban.
Nila may tira, papasok, lumalabas, or point blank nagmimintis pa rin. Samantalang sa kabilang side, ganyan na nangyayari, Javi.
It's been raining inside, outside. He's scoring, he's orchestrating, he's doing everything here for the Knights. Bautista to answer. Finally, that's a basket much needed for Pangasinan.
Oh, but
Tolentino will check out of the game in favor of JR Kaasi, and that's a tip by Mike Malonzo, who continues to show out.
Rebound sa mga ball screens, siya nagra-run.
On the other side, though, everybody here has been pitching in, especially that man on your screen, Mike Malonzo.
Ito, konting stagger sa taas.
Oh, that's definitely a foul. Melencio and Wamar colliding there after the attempt. Orlando of those sermons. Huang from the elbow, he has really worked on that jumper.
Yeah, and adding that
3, Kaasi keeps it alive for Pangasinan. Melencio looking inside, Mabulak able to gain some space, and that's 2 points para sa Heatwaves.
pag tinignan mo yung basket na yan ni Mike Mabulak. Si Jingoy, nag-free throw after. Oh, good cut by Kaasi.
The wheeling and dealing right there was Japs Bautista. 54-47. Pito ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan, and the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX. But still here in the second half against Pangasinan.
Yeah, and the point production really just keeps on going up. 15, 18, and 21. Samantalang, the other way naman itong Pangasinan. Hayaan muna natin kung nasaan tayo. Tingnan natin kung paano.
Ooh. Whoa, Arvin Gamboa getting the sidestep beauty, and the Melencio to William Moore swishes it through. Yeah, again, just like I mentioned in the first quarter, Coach. Soberano taking his time, gets the step on Melencio. He unable to recover, but AC Soberano, the gifted scorer that he is, getting the soft touch from Soberano.
Oh, man.
A little less English on that shot, but here, specialty of the house, AC Soberano.
Right spots.
That's 12 now in the ball game para kay AC Soberano. The answer quickly right there by Ian Melencio.
Ayan, mabilisan na sagot.
Dakiwag looks at the shot clock. It reads 8. Dakiwag for 3. Dakiwag will knock it down.
Now, if you're Coach Coach Jerson, you understand, you still...
Line. Gamboa leaves it for Zach Wang and he kisses it off the glass.
Oy.
He has 12 points in this game. Here he is guarding Mike Mabulak. Forced shot, but no problem right there by Mike Mabulak. Pero mukhang hindi niya nagustuhan yung depensa doon ni Zach Wang. The two-man game with Gamboa on top. Nobody boxing out Paulo Hernandez, and Gamboa is all alone for those 2 points. Dakiwag, another three-pointer here. He has made his last 2. They give it up. Tajonera, he has that. Tajonera, what a big shot by the veteran.
Oh, man.
Look at all 5 white shirts back on defense, but no problem for Ed Dakiwag. Little resistance coming from the interior defense. 15 points already. Soberano drops it off. Zach Wang, basket and one.
Boy, I just...
A good case of not helping the helper.
Correct, agree.
This free throw is brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Back out, Melencio from the outside. Say no more. J.R. Kaasi able to clean that up.
Now you...
Melencio will not hesitate. Melencio will score as we now enter the final 2 minutes. Brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the NPBL. The Melencio snaking his way past the defense. Gabo, this will be big. Hesed Gabo for 3.
Man.
Linato almost lost it. Wamar bullets a pass. Soberano swishes it through. 3-pointer by Hesed Gabo earlier for Pangasinan. The answer by AC Soberano. Melencio, quick shot. Kaasi on the reverse.
Now they're still in this. They're still very much in this.
And Gamboa on the roll. Wang gives it up. Galinato, baseline J, nothing but nylon. Galinato, inbounds to Orlan Wamar. Wamar all alone for 2 points. What a breakdown at this time of the game para sa Pangasinan defensively. Imagine a minus 18 in that department for Pangasinan, talking about field goal attempts. Meanwhile, your pick, coach, for best player of the game brought to you by Buenas was none other than Zach Wang.
Yeah, and clearly Orlan Wamar was setting up the table, but this guy right here gave those extra possessions for the San Juan Knights, allowing Orlan to set it up. But without the activity of that guy right there, you know, it could be a different ball game altogether.
Well, he basically set the tone for all of the other frontline players. But our final score, 81-73, brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the NPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.